dealing with a lot of depression, anxieties during the pandemic. Being that I work in healthcare, I was feeling like I was losing myself, not focused, going into eating a lot of different fatty foods, not taking care of my health the right way. Make myself a better person. If I can't take care of myself, I can't take care of my patients or my family. With his help, I've lost weight, going to the gym, eating right, focusing on my mindset, my well-being, my health, all the key factors that I need to keep on for my patients, for my family, for myself. A lot of great accomplishments have come right now working with him. A lot of positive things have come into my life, which has brought me back to the person I was and better than I was before. With him and the group, it's made me a better person and even more stronger in mind to control my habits, my bad habits of wanting to fall into eating and depression and things like that, but overcoming them and thinking positive. And all this being said, it's made me a better person, and it's also being seen by a lot of other people that want to get into this, that need that help. It all starts with you and how you want to go about it, and accepting that we all in life need help. So check him out, talk with him. He provides a lot of insight, a lot of knowledge in a lot of fields. He's very knowledgeable, hardworking. So check him out and try. It doesn't hurt to try. You're gonna get a lot of good benefits, positive results, and it's gonna make you a better person. Hope this helps.